Hello and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan and this little guy is a Renault 12 by the French diecast brand Norev. This MiniJet model was part of the smallest of the Jet series, which consisted of these 1/64 scale MiniJet models. This is a very nice model of one of the iconic French cars. However, the model is play-worn, the axles are bent and one of the wheels is missing a hub. I also feel that this model would benefit greatly from some detailing and a new color. So let's get out the tools and give this model a Code 3 makeover. The MiniJet models are riveted with the smallest rivets I've ever seen on a model. I use a small drill to drill them out. The base plate comes away holding the wheels and axles. Then we have the interior and a separate dashboard, which apparently was already inside the model when it was spray painted, judging from the red overspray. This dashboard also holds the doors in place. And we have the window unit, which just needs a good polish. These wheels are common in the older MiniJet cars. They came before Norev started using standard die-cast wheels like MiniJet or Matchbox. I take out the wheel hub that's already loose and bend the axle end straight to remove the wheels and slide the axle out of the base plate. For the second axle, I just bend it over until it comes away. Now I can press out the wheel hubs by pushing the wheels down. I dunk the dashboard in Dettol disinfectant liquid to loosen the paint. The body and the doors depart for the caustic soda to remove the paint. Afterwards, there's no paint left on the model and I just need to wire brush the body and doors to prepare them for painting. I also wire brush the bottom plate, but I won't be tapping a screw thread in these tiny rivet posts as they might crack. The body and the doors are sprayed in AK Interactive Grey Primer. The dashboard is sprayed in black primer of the same brand to match the black interior. Next, the body and the doors are all sprayed with Motip light blue, which is close to the color that was common on the Renault 12. Since this is a custom restoration, I will be doing some detailing to make the model more realistic. I paint the front grille in matte black. Then I pick out the headlights and the indicator lights with Molotov chrome. I do the same with the rear lights. The indicator lights and the rear lights are then filled with Tamiya clear orange and clear red. Finally, the model is clear coated with several coats of Vallejo polyurethane gloss varnish. The plastic parts have returned from the ultrasonic cleaner. The window unit on this model is in great shape. It just needs a polish with polishing compound for car headlights to buff out any small scratches. I will be using 0.8mm brass rods to replace the old axles. These are slightly thicker than the original axles and I use a 1mm drill to widen the axle posts in the base plate. The wheel hubs then get a fresh coat of Molotov chrome. I sourced a spare wheel hub from a MiniJet car that's total loss, so now we have 4 wheel hubs again. When the paint is dried, the model is ready for reassembly. I thought I could get away by bending over the axle ends in the same way as the original ones, but this didn't work out. So I go for plan B, which consists of fixing the wheels to the axles with superglue and baking soda. Then I snap on the wheel hubs. The old axles were attached with a crimped clamp in the base plate, so only the wheels could turn. Since I had to superglue the wheels to the axles, I have to find a way to attach them in a way that allows the axles to turn. I prepare a small amount of milliput, which is a 2-component epoxy putty. Then I knead it over the axle posts on the base plate, creating a bridge that holds the wheels down, but allows the axles to turn freely. The putty dries rock hard, those axles won't be going anywhere soon. The doors are fitted in the holes in the dashboard, then it is snapped in place inside the body. I insert the window unit and the interior. Finally, I can close up the model. I snap the rivets back over the base plate. This should hold and I could always put a drop of superglue in the hole if I need to attach it permanently. And that's it for this model. This Renault 12 was play-worn with damaged paint, bent axles and one of its wheel hubs missing. A prime candidate for a custom restoration. And this is our model with a brand new light blue paint job, polished windscreen, re-chromed wheel hubs and some detailing for realism. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick that notification bell. More restorations are coming up. See you in the next video.